You just don't build business, you built an empire.
Watching Dubai growing, I felt that this country has something different.
A lot of potential, right? ये मुल्क जो है बहुत it's very very secure, and the world comes here for security.
Well, I never noticed that because it was always safe for me.
Having some collaboration of Indian and Pakistani singers.
The Infinity Unplugged is something where no one has done before.
Dubai Magic is nowhere else, huh?
Nowhere else. It gives you a lot. Not about people, they talk about safety, security. No, it gives you opportunity.
Assalamu alaikum ji, this is Ehsan Khan, your host for today, and I have somebody very very special in the studios, and I'm going to interview this guy who's actually very successful at the Infinity Talks, and he has done wonders. I'm so impressed by this guy. Please welcome Mr. Mohammad Zia Hassan. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Thank you.
How are you?
Very good, very good.
Yeah, I'm so impressed by you. You know, when we work so hard, and I always feel that making name in the society and doing so much, it really matters a lot when people follow you, they like your work. But you're a multi-dimensional personality है आपकी इतनी brilliant के you just don't build business, you built an empire. I mean, from property to perfumes and from gold to passports. So much यार इतनी यंग एज में इतना कुछ मुझे बताएं अपनी जर्नी के बारे में, हम भी सीखें, लोग भी सीखें.
Well, thank you very much, Hassan. I'm in this show with you. It was not an easy task. It was really difficult. I mean, people think that it's easy, but no, it's not. I started with the random jobs in Dubai, raised in Dubai, born in Dubai. I'm very happy that I'm raised and born in this country, which gave me the opportunity to be what I am today. And yeah, it was a difficult task when I started. I started with a salesman, but I always had dreams to become big.
And how long did it take you to come here? कितने साल लगे?
यार लगे तो से मैंने start किया job from 16 doing promotions to salesman.
And lovely, yeah, that's amazing. और जब when somebody works hard and reaches to a certain point and is so ambitious, तो उसकी सक्सेस देख के ना एक पूरी स्टोरी बनती है कि यार how did this person grow, and a lot of younger people who want to achieve something, then they follow you, of course. But why did you choose Canada? I mean, you had a chance to live there, but you chose Dubai over Canada. Is that true?
Yes, it is. See, I mean, when I was doing my schooling and you know, watching Dubai growing, I felt that this country has something different.
A lot of potential, right?
A lot of potential. It had something magical thing which I didn't see in Canada. The Canada is okay. It's a better country for my retirement. Yes,
Okay.
I can say that.
Okay.
Yeah.
The Dubai Magic is nowhere else, huh?
Nowhere else. It gives you a lot. Not about people, they talk about safety, security. No, it gives you opportunity. It really gives you opportunity. And if you have something in you, it always allows you to grow yourself. And why not?
मैं चाहूँगा लोगों को आपकी जर्नी के बारे में पता चले फ्रॉम द वेरी बिगिनिंग कि आपने कब शुरू किया और फिर यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचे, ये बताइए.
तो स्टार्ट तो किया, तो मैंने आपको बताया था, मैंने सेल्समैन से स्टार्ट किया था. बट ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज one thing my parents did, that I had good education background, so I got the opportunity to work for an airline where I saw a different world, and I noticed यार कुछ नया करते हैं. Then I started with my lounges, got successful, and I took the opportunity to do it in a time when people were in crisis. Dubai was in crisis, 2009. So I think so that was a time when I hit, and I thought, okay, let's do this. People were running, but I thought the opportunity was there for me. I took the risk. So risk is always there. If you want to grow in your life, I think so without risk you cannot grow.
Well, everyone can't do that.
Yeah.
हर की सोच ऐसी होती नहीं है.
असली में अब it was a do or die situation ना. आप सोच रहे हो कि आपको करना क्या है. Okay, मैं यही नहीं कर सकता हर वक्त. I have to do something better. So I said, okay, let me see. I worked hard.
Lovely. That's great. ये मुल्क जो है बहुत it's very very secure, and the world comes here for security. I mean, the most civilized countries in the world, you don't feel this safe, crime rate बढ़ता जा रहा है और कंट्रोल भी थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. क्या ये एक one reason that you're here, and what would you tell us about this country?
See, I mean, I never noticed because for me, people tell me that you're in a safe country. Well, I never noticed that because it was always safe for me. I never
I mean, it came naturally to you because यहाँ पे कभी कुछ ऐसा देखा ही नहीं है.
हुआ ही नहीं है. So when you see all the sky, the buildings are building up and everything's safe, I keep my cars open. I never close my car. And you can't do that in London. You can't do that in Canada. You can't do that in US.
No, I'll tell you, I once forgot my pouch, my passports, my stuff at a counter somewhere in the mall. और कुछ देर के बाद मुझे ख्याल आया कि अबे यार, what have I done? And then I went back to that place after an hour. वो वहीं पड़ा हुआ था, वहीं पे पड़ा हुआ था. And that was like shocking for me, you know.
It's so safe. So I was raising up, and when I went to the other countries, and I noticed that यार सच में यार दुबई तो बड़ा safe है यार. UAE is so safe. Like it's the life is so easy here. If you have, I mean, even if you don't have money, if you're an average person, I'm telling you, people who came to Dubai, they don't want to go back to their country, whether it's Indian, Pakistani, Bangladesh,
Anybody, they
anyone.
feel at home over here,
Yes,
basically.
I mean, it's so great.
Of course. So, why should somebody, if they're not living here, why should you have to tell people? What do you think? Why should people come here, settle here, live here, work here, and invest here? Why?
I'll give you my example. I mean, I'm here. If I did something in my life, being something today, you have the opportunity to come here. If you have the talent, if you can work hard, you can make your empire.
So, Infinity Group जो है, इतने businesses हैं, perfume launch है, cafes हैं,
Saloons.
salons हैं, आपकी property का है, gold का है. So, is this random or is it planned, or why so many businesses?
So basically, it started gold or perfume. You see things going on in Dubai. अब देखते हो कि यार ये अच्छा business है. Why don't I put my hand, see how it works? Because as you know, I can take risk. I always like to take risk. So okay, let's start this, and it even give you the your name as well. So Infinity ने ये launch किया, या Infinity के पास ये है. So that makes a bigger name of your brand.
Okay, lovely. So when you, I mean, just for example, your property business, चलें उसकी बात करते हैं. So how are you able to sell so much? How does the business progress? और एक ordinary person को उसमें अगर invest करना है तो कैसे करना चाहिए बताइए.
See, ordinary person who's doing a salary job, and Dubai gives you again so much privilege from the bank. You can do a mortgage, okay. And
Do you help in that?
Yes, we do.
Oh, wonderful.
We help from A to Z.
A to Z. Okay.
आपको कुछ नहीं करने, आपकी सैलरी रिक्वायरमेंट हमें चाहिए. आप आए हमारे पास, we will see the best option for you, what house you want, and the bank does the job for you.
Guys, they're so easy. They're so cool. अच्छा, and tell us about the payment plan also, कि लोगों का किस तरह से आगे बढ़ता है. Payment plan पे भी लोग रहते हैं चीज़ें, और आप बहुत help out करते हैं. I want people to know because of course I know about you and you as well, but लोगों को थोड़ा पता चलना चाहिए कि आप किस तरह से उनकी help करते हैं.
See, payment plans, जो salary person है उनके लिए payment plans has to be there because they cannot give you a chunk of money, right? So they give you the 10%, they get into the house. So instead of renting a house, आपका जो rental महीने का आता है 1% जो amount का होता है आप pay करें, you stay, and which is easy for them as well because आपकी monthly जो income है उसमें से सिर्फ या 4 से 5 हज़ार कटेगा, और you can own a house after 10 years, 12 years. Because when you come to Dubai, you don't come for 1 year. You stay here for 20 years, 25 years.
Right. Do you have any payment plans for property specifically for foreigners या बाहर के लोग जो यहाँ पे नहीं रह रहे और बाहर हैं, उनको आप किस तरह से शामिल करते हैं इन चीज़ों में?
अब प्रॉपर्टीज़ में 2 चीज़ होती है, ऑफ प्लान होता है और एक सेकेंडरी होता है. अगर सेकेंडरी जो करना चाहता है जिसके पास अगेन 10% या 15% जो डाउन पेमेंट कर सकता है, So we rental their properties to the people who require rental property. We ask them to pay that 15%, and then from the rental, we help them up to pay their mortgages.
Okay, lovely. And I've also, all of a sudden, I'm just diversion to, how come, I've heard you're acting also, right?
Yes.
In what? What are you acting in?
Well,
Random question I'm
right, it is a random question.
Yeah.
Well, it's so I started a video shoot now for my for our new song.
Okay.
And,
I've heard the song, by the way, guys. The song is really nice. So आप लोगों को भी सुनना चाहिए गाना.
Thank you very much. Well, so randomly, I have a very good singer called Safi, and he came to me. He said, "Sir, मेरे पास ये सब 4-5 गाने हैं, मैंने खुद बनाए." I heard the song and I had the same reaction. I was like, "You're so talented." I said, "Okay, I'll do that, but I want to come into the picture right now because being an entrepreneur and I want to be an entertainer
As well.
as well."
Okay. Okay. So one question I want to ask you. You also form companies for people. आप उनको company बना के देते हैं यहाँ पे. उसके बारे में बताएं वो कैसे करते हैं?
हमारी कंपनी का नाम है खिदमती. It's handled by Malik Yusuf.
Okay.
एंड बेसिकली हमारा काम है कि जो भी लीगल सर्विसेज हो, सेटअप हो बिजनेस का पूरा, बंदा जब भी आता है यहाँ दुबई में, ही इज लॉस्ट. He doesn't have the right.
Obviously, you need somebody to guide you and help you around.
Yeah, so he needs the right people. आप आते हो, आप spend करते हो, मगर you don't get the right thing. So you contact us. We will do everything what you want, from your licensing, office setup,
अच्छा.
legal services, HR,
Everything basically.
everything. Basically उसमें क्या होता है, आपका टेंशन नहीं होता किसी चीज़ का.
They also help in visas, by the way.
Yeah. So if you want to get the visas,
Lovely.
and we have, because here we have a lot of services.
So I formed a company through Khidmati, जो इन्हीं की है और बहुत आसानी से, and also did not overcharge me. It was very very convenient for me. So वो उसका तो मुझे मालूम है कि कितना easily हो गया. अच्छा, अब इंस्पिरेशन आप कहाँ से लेते हो? यानी आपका ये किसी को देख के आपने सोचा कि you'll have a salon, you'll have a cafe, you'll have you know, gold business, you're into everything, and now entertainment business also, show business, you know, so much inspiration कहाँ से ली?
I think so. My personality is that मैंने जब first time जब launch start किया था, so I saw people coming in to my cafes. I saw how relaxed it was.
Okay.
People were happy by the services, you know. So I was like, okay, fine, यार ये बड़ा अच्छा काम कर रहा हूँ.
Making people happy, of course,
making
एक
people
relaxed
happy,
environment दे
relaxed.
रहे हैं.
And I used to always go to the other restaurants and see other lounges and see like what's they're lacking of, and get those things in my places.
Okay.
So that was one of the inspirations which I started with.
Okay.
And then I myself
Salon or salon?
I myself dress good.
हाँ, you're a stylish guy
Yeah,
और आपको हर
stylish
वक्त
guy,
मैंने देखा
yeah,
कि you
मुझे-
want to
yeah.
look good, want to wear good. So that's one reason you had a salon.
Yes.
So this is your vision basically.
That's my vision. So I said, okay, why not? Why? और ऊपर से मैं I like to save money because I'm a businessman.
हाँ, of
So I
course.
said, okay, if I have a salon, I don't pay to others. I pay to myself. right?
Okay,
So
lovely.
why not? Let's do that.
Oh, अच्छी बात है.
So वही start किया, salon start कर लिया.
ठीक
Then
है.
I'm into perfumes. I love perfumes as well. So जब मैंने start किया था, so it was for someone I started because I wanted to you know,
Express your love for
love
somebody
to
or
somebody. Yes.
ठीक
So
है, हाँ.
I made that perfume.
So वो क्या कहानी थी, उसकी कहानी हम अगले एपिसोड में बताएंगे.
Definitely आपको definitely बताऊंगा.
और गोल्ड और डायमंड्स का जो काम है उसका
So
बताइए.
gold, see, Dubai is very well known for few things.
Yeah.
So gold is the gold they give in Dubai. It's pure. It's very good gold, and people comes from Africa. People comes
Yeah,
from
yeah, all over the world
all
they want
over
to
the
buy.
world.
Even if they have a stopover at the airport, they want to buy
buy the
something
gold.
and go.
So I realized my early stage that यार ये जो look कर रहे हैं business gold का, it's very nice. Why don't I get into it? Luckily, you know, always luck is a factor. I got a guy who was into this. I had the money, he had the knowledge, and we did together, and it was really nice. It worked for me so much well. Like if I say like half of my wealth was made by gold and property business. So that was one of the thing, and of course service business where I love myself doing those service business because cafes hai, salons hai,
गोल्ड डायमंड है, सब कुछ है,
सब कुछ है।
एवरीथिंग अंडर वन रूफ, यू वांट टू डू एवरीथिंग बेसिक. तो
Under one roof.
एंटरटेनमेंट वर्ल्ड का भी बता दें एक मरतबा फिर.
Entertainment, we started with music, producing music and all stuff. उसके बाद लगा कि चलो इससे आगे चले.
ठीक है. So you plan to produce, that's what you told me, that you plan to produce a film in future, you plan to produce
Yes.
a series for
Yes.
different countries and पूरी community के लिए जो हमारी भी language समझते हैं और उनके लिए सब बनाना चाहते हैं. That's wonderful and I think it's a great idea. मुझे लगता है कोई ऐसी चीज़ रहने की जो जिसको ये छुएंगे नहीं, हर चीज़ का ट्राई करेंगे ये, और करना भी चाहिए. You have one chance, one life, and when you want to achieve so much and you want to do something, then obviously you move forward. So moving towards the end of our episode of the Infinity Talks, मैं फिर से एक मर्तबा लोगों के लिए ये पूछना चाहूँगा कि लोग दुबई में इन्वेस्ट करें तो क्यों करें घरों में, और फिर इतना, मतलब एक रीज़न तो मुझे समझ आता है कि इजी इंस्टॉलमेंट पे सब कुछ मिलता है और एक आम आदमी भी अपनी ख्वाहिश पूरी कर सकता है. What would you say about this?
So Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Europe, Canada, whatever you say, एक घर लेना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, बहुत मुश्किल होता है. आपको like ages, it take age to buy a house there.
Oh yes, पूरी ज़िंदगी लोग मेहनत करते हैं और फिर भी, एंड देन वो भी गारंटी नहीं, कभी कभी बहुत चीटिंग, कब्जा
ये सब हो जाता है. सो क्यों, लाइक लाइफस्टाइल भी नहीं है और उसके ऊपर आप घर भी ले रहे हो जहाँ आपकी इज्जत भी नहीं रहेगी. सो आई बिलीव यू कम टू दुबई, यूएई, यू इन्वेस्ट हियर, यू गेट एवरीथिंग, सेफ्टी, सिक्योरिटी, घर मिल जाएगा आपको आसानी से.
थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग वर्ल्ड वाइड और आई होप कि हर जगह ही लोगों के लिए सेफ्टी हो, बिकॉज पाकिस्तान में काफ़ी चीज़ें बदल भी गई हैं, बहुत
बेहतर. मैं एग्री करता हूँ,
बट देन यू फील कि जो अचीवमेंट इंस्टेंट यहाँ पे हो सकती है वो शायद कहीं और नहीं हो पाती लोगों से, तो इसलिए वो दे ड्रीम टू कम हेयर एंड फुलफिल देयर ड्रीम्स. दैट्स व्हाट आई मीन.
आप आए यहाँ, आपकी मतलब हर चीज़ मिलता है आपको, लाइफस्टाइल मिलता है आपको, जो चाहिए, सेफ्टी मिलता है, सिक्योरिटी मिलता है, घर आप ले सकते हैं, और इट्स नॉट सो डिफिकल्ट, इट्स ईजी.
राइट. ओके. So I've also heard that you're having some collaboration of Indian and Pakistani singers.
Yes.
वो क्या है, क्या कर रहे हैं?
Basically, Infinity Unplug के बारे में मैं ये कहना चाह रहा हूँ कि Infinity Unplug is something where no one has done before. किसी ने पहले किया नहीं है, because people only cater one nationality. We are doing for everyone. All the nationality can come to Dubai and Infinity Unplug, like India हो, Pakistan हो, and we will give them what platform they want.
Right.
That is one of the thing which I
haven't heard of this before. ये पहले मुझे नहीं लगता कहीं पे हुआ है as such.
कभी नहीं हुआ. It's going to be the first time. So it's not like Indian Idol or it's not Pakistani Idol. It's for everyone.
Everyone.
Any singer, any nationality or any language you can say.
Anywhere like जो दुबई है वो है ये एक hub है for everybody. It's like a meeting and melting point.
We welcome everyone.
या सो चाहे वो इंडिया से है, पाकिस्तान से है, यूरोप से है, यूएसए से, श्रीलंका, नेपाल, आई सी एवरीबडी, अफ्रीका, एनीवेयर,
Everyone.
और यहाँ पे सब लोग हैं, तो उन्हीं का आप सोच के हम उस हिसाब से ही बात करते हैं. वंडरफुल यार, इट्स सो इंस्पायरिंग meeting you, seeing a young person like you doing so much in life and achieving everything that you want to, and I wish you all the luck for future.
Thank you.
Thank
you
you
very much.
Zia bro, it's so nice talking to you, honestly, and बहुत inspire किया आपने मुझे, and that's why I'm here and you're a friend also. तो हमारा इंशाल्लाह ये राब्ता तो रहेगा, और इन्फिनिटी टॉक्स में हम आपको बार बार नज़र आते रहेंगे बड़े मज़े के टॉपिक्स के साथ. बट बिफोर साइनिंग ऑफ, आई वुड जस्ट वांट यू टू गिव सम स्पेशल मैसेज टू योर ऑडियंस, द पीपल हु आर वाचिंग दिस. प्लीज़, क्या कहना चाहेंगे लोगों को?
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि यार, आप इफ़ यू वांट टू बी समथिंग, प्लीज़ फॉलो योर ड्रीम्स, डोंट लूज होप, वर्क हार्ड. आप आपको जो करना है आप करें, ट्राई करें. मैंने किया है, आई रीच्ड हियर. आई बिलीव एवरीवन हैज़ द विल. इफ़ यू हैव द विल, यू हैव द way. And if you're coming to Dubai, Infinity will help you to do that.
Wonderful, yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you. So good to see you. Thank you. See you guys again, inshallah. Take care. Bye-bye.